welcome back to the channel. Welcome everybody. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Real quick, I got this 2010 Town and Country, Chrysler Town and Country. Now they came in talking about noises, engine noise, knocking noise, some kind of knocking noise. So naturally what I do is raise the engine up, start it up, make sure you got oil in your car. All right, before you do anything, before you check any noise, you don't want to get blamed for anything. All right, so make sure you got oil in it. Once I did that and cranked the car up, I don't hear any knocking noise. I don't hear any noise. So what I do, I go back in the car just to chill for a minute. Start it up. It's kind of hot in here. I turn the AC on. Lower me hold. What do I hear? Knock, 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 knock. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Now from there, my head is running. Okay, maybe is that the noise they're talking about? Sure, it very well could be. So it's a breakdown in communication from either the service advisor or the customer. Okay, because on the complaint it never says what the noise is coming from. And you as a mechanic you should worry about it, but you should also check for any kind of noise. Verify. You should verify it anyway. All right. So what I'm getting at is this noise turned out to be AC related. So I'm gonna grab the camera. I'm gonna take you inside so you can hear the noise. Exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, let me get in this car, start the car up, and let me turn the AC on. Now I want y'all to listen very carefully. Y'all hear that? Do y'all hear that? That, ladies and gentlemen, coming from the recirc actuator area. Now there's two actuators over in this right side of this AC box. You got a mode door over here, or blend door, and the recirc actuator. So because the noise started happening exactly when I turn it on, that tells me the recirc is trying to go into outside mode. Okay, so the actuator is making a noise. Now let me see if I can lower this glove box so we can get a better view of this. Sometimes you can see the actuator, sometimes you can't. And this one I cannot see. So, but there's the noise again. Y'all hear that? Okay, that is coming from the recirc actuator. All right, let me get out and get back around. So what I want to and because this is a electronically controlled HVAC system, okay, it's electronic AC, the controls are electronic. Chances are it's on the bus, okay? Chances are you should be able to diagnose the circuit using the bus. So here, let me go to my computer. Even if you don't find any fault code, you pretty much can see that the noise, where the noise is coming from the recirc actuator. Okay, here we go. This is 2010, like I say, 2010 Town and Country. Let's go on the HVAC. Fault code DTC. Yep, there you have it, folks. B105D. Recirc door travel range too large. And ladies and gentlemen, this is active, meaning the computer sees the problem right now. Okay, so that is the best that is another true indication that that's where it's coming from. Okay, the range, I guess, to open it and close it is too large, and the computer picked it up and essentially set a fault code. All right, so what I'm going to do is recommend replacing this recirc actuator. All right, we're gonna get this replaced, and I'm gonna check the proper operation of the AC, make sure it's receiving max cooling, because you all know how to get max cooling out of your AC. You basically need to be in recirc actuator mode. Okay, do not have your AC unit on outside air trying to get max cold. It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna work. You would get max cold with the recirc on. Okay, so I don't want this video to be long. That's what I'm gonna write up. If they buy it or if it sells, I guess I'll try to. It's hard for me to film repair videos here. Y'all know where I'm at. All right, so it's already hard enough for me to record what I'm doing, but I'm just verbal talking right now. Okay, so recirc actuator, I'm gonna tell the AC system service. I'm gonna look the car over some more. I always look the cars over. And we're gonna go from there. All right, man, thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.